Nalilito ka ba kung ang gagamitin mo ay qualitative or quantitative research? Now, here's a video for you. Quantitative research deals with numbers and statistics. It answers questions like how many, how much, and how often. Ang sample titles for quantitative research are the average math scores of the grade 10 students, the number of students who use mobile phones for learning, and the effect of study on test scores. Okay, so we also have types of quantitative research. We have descriptive, correlational, experimental, and quasi-experimental. Now, when we talk about qualitative research, it focuses on opinions, experiences, and meanings. And it answers questions like why, how, and what do people feel. Okay? Now, sample titles of qualitative research include students' experiences in online learning, why learners find mathematics difficult, and teachers' challenges in the classroom. You can choose whether you're going to use phenomenology, case study, narrative inquiry, ethnography, and grounded theory. Okay, so for a clearer comparison of the two, when we say quantitative research, it talks about numbers, qualitative stories. Numbers tell us how many, words tell us why. Now, you won't get confused in your research class. Thank you.